how to use Chrome extensions on your Android phones. So the answer to this question will be you cannot use Chrome extension on your phone. So Chrome is right now Google is trying to integrate extensions on your phones, especially on your tablets. But right now on your Android phones, there is no such news. However, Google is working for on this process, but it might take some time. Okay, so the solution is there is no such solution. However, there is a solution which is using a different version of Chrome, which is called as Chromium. um, for that you just need to search here the internet, but there is no simple and direct solutions for extensions on your Android right now. So hope this video was helpful, and yeah, I was just trying to save your time. You don't there is tons of fake videos. So yeah, hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.